It's giving lash extensions. Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sky.Onjahnae. If you're new here, and on this channel we talk about all things beauty with a little bit of lifestyle. If you clicked on this video, that means you're interested in these beautiful lashes I'm about to show you, honey. And it's by a black owned business, so you should definitely support. Now let's get into this haul. First off, let's start with the packaging, because the packaging is super cute. It comes in this bag with the logo. You can't really see it because my ring light is super bright, but it says BB because the brand name is Beat Like BB. That's so cute. The packages are so pretty. You know, I love anything glitter, anything sparkly, anything, baby, anything. So these that I have on now, these are called It Girl. These are very, very, very beginner friendly. If you're not used to wearing lashes, you don't want anything super long, super dramatic, these are perfect. They're perfect for every single day. Like, I love how natural they look. Super fluffy, super wispy. They just do what they need to do for your for any look, honestly. The next pair we're gonna do is we're gonna go with these with the purple bead. These are called Bougie. Ooh. Ooh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Yeah. I'm a fan. These are gorgeous. Look at these lashes. Brianna, you're watching this? These are gorgeous. Next one, these are called Expensive. Y'all, like, expensive, because that's how I look with these lashes, baby. These are expensive. But the bag has tripled with these lashes. Like, I love how they are, how wispy they are. Like, look at them. Flutter, 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 flutter. I love how, like, these can, like, they're dramatic. They are, but they're also, because they're so wispy, I think they kind of like tones them down, because they're not so, like, I don't really know how to explain it, but it's not a lot to look at, like, looking face on. Because, you know, sometimes 25mm lashes and, like, real wispy lashes, real long lashes, they can be a lot to look at. But, like, looking at this, like, face on, these could be great for, like, a dramatic look and a just, you know, everyday natural look. You want to have a little razzle dazzle. Okay. We are really 3 lash styles out of the 4, and they're all winning to me. Let me know in the comments which ones y'all are liking, because I really can't decide. These ones, Black Barbie, these are the ones I really, really wanted, so I'm really glad she had these. These are my favorites, so I really hope they look the way I think they're gonna look. Ooh. Ooh. Yes. Literally, yes. They're so, like, big and fluffy, and that's what I think I love the most about them. Like, they're fluffy, they're long, they're full, but still, to me, they're not, like, it's not too much. It's not that dramatic where I feel like I have to do it only with a look with rhinestones. They're so dramatic and still so natural. Like, it's giving lash extensions. So that is the end of this lash haul. I hope you really enjoyed these lashes. Let me know in the comments which lash was your favorite style, because I cannot choose. So let me know what y'all think, and definitely try out this black owned business, black owned small business. Like, we need the support. We need to keep the money in our community, keep it flowing. See y'all in my next video.